Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Galaxy Vega project. Galaxy Vega is one of the residential cum commercial developments of Galaxy Group. It offers spacious 2 and 3 BHK apartments and commercial shops. This project consists of total 7 towers having 23 floors each and total 750 numbers of units. This project is built across 6.50 acres of land with 80% open area. This project carries high-rise apartments. So friends, this is the view of Galaxy Vega project, which is located in Noida extension. This project is designed aiming at every requirement of the people so that they have everything available at one stop, with ease and comfort being the priority. The project provides cut-edge innovative constructional design features and green surroundings to its occupants. As you can see, this project is having green surroundings all over. It's also having covered parking. Here comes the swimming pool and club area. So over there you can see we have the clubhouse of Galaxy Vega project. And you can see greenery all around. This is the basketball court for the residents. This project is ready to move in project. So friends, thank you for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.